good. Okay.
Jacques Cilliers, everybody!
Well, it all happened at the Coffee Magazine Awards in Johannesburg last year, December. Hi everyone, my name is Jacques Cilliers. I work for Equiserve and I was awarded Technician of the Year. We're such an amazing team that it was just day by day. It's obviously a tap on the shoulder. People don't always see the hard work and the effort, research that goes into this whole thing. And so yeah, to win the award is amazing. It's an awesome feeling, and hopefully it's inspiration to other technicians, younger guys in the industry.
Steve, there came in a breakdown. The two steam ones are leaking, and then we also have the T-tap leaking. And they said that the overpressure valve also is an issue on the machine.
Okay.
So we can just assess that on site, Joe.
Okay, so today we're gonna check out the Lamazoko GB5 and also a Lamazoko PB. On the one side we have two steam ones that is leaking and also a T-water spot that's also leaking. So from my experience is if it's leaking on the nozzle, then it's definitely a problem with its rubber gasket. So basically the gasket that is sitting at the back of the steam tap. So once we replace that, then it should be fine. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Steve, what did you find? What was the fault on the machine?
The fault was definitely the two steam taps,
Okay.
which I replaced.
So using Caffenu cleaning products on a coffee machine removes all the oil residue on the group beds, and that prevents a bad taste to the coffee. And if there's coffee buildup on the group beds, it basically burns onto the components and also gives a bitter taste to the espresso or the coffee. Descaling also helps to prevent scale buildup on the machines, and it obviously prolongs the lifespan of the machine. So yeah, it was always a plan. I started as a fitter and turner, and I got the opportunity to start with a group manufacturing machine parts to build dough rollers. And being in the industry, I started learning from people around me, and that's how I became a coffee machine technician. I think the most satisfying part is to see the customer appreciate the work that they put in, and obviously seeing the machine work again. After 20 years in the industry, I've basically seen it all. But there's one machine that stuck with me is where the guys didn't filter the water properly, and it actually corroded the stainless steel components in the machine. Most people don't always understand how much effort and preparation, planning, research goes into these type of things. Sometimes they feel it's just replacing a part, but it's to understand what's the cause of failure and why the component failed and why replace it. Technology changed a lot over the last couple of years, and also there's a lot more resources, YouTube videos, parts diagrams. Manufacturer nowadays are not scared to share these type of things on their websites as well. So I think it makes it a lot easier for the technicians nowadays. It's important to do a quick overall assessment. Open the machine, check if there's scale buildup, check the pressures, check if there's leaks on the machine, but also cleanliness. I think that also plays a big role in condition of the machine, how well they look after their machines.
Equiserve!